Hey guys, so this is the Hart 15-piece quarter-inch drive deep socket set with the Ratchet. And this Ratchet actually features 90 tooth as he claimed. The deep socket, of course, is better to reach some of the hard to reach areas and is chrome plated, so supposedly it's rust resistant. So in this whole 15-piece set, it's got 7 pieces of the SAE drive and 7 pieces of the metric drives, which both of those drives features a 6-point contact. So I bought this at Walmart. The reason I bought this is because I saw it went on sale at Walmart for $10 for this whole set of 15 piece. Usually the Ratchet drive itself is actually quite expensive. Like the drive itself would be like at least the cheapest one you can find is probably $15 to $20. This one not only includes a 90 tooth drive, also includes extra 14 pieces and a carrying box. So great value, right? I picked it up using the in-store pickup. So I got my bag and I didn't look, and I went home, and the first time I opened up the package is when I get totally shocked. That's because it's missing one socket. The number 6 socket, someone took it. And those guys at the Walmart customer service didn't even check to see if this is a fine piece, and they just gave it to me. So obviously I have to go back and return the whole set, maybe get a replacement, and if I don't like it, maybe I'll just ask for a refund. Anyway, so take a look. Those are the sizes available: quarter inch, 9 and 30 tooth, 5 and 16, 11 and 30 tooth, 3 and 8, 7 and 16, half an inch. The missing 6 millimeters, so it goes from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all the way to 12. And of course, the centerpiece is this Hart Ratchet. It feels really nice, and the ratcheting area is actually also very well designed. It's recessed, so it wouldn't be touching anything if you are at a kind of hard to reach area. You might bump onto stuff, and it might change the direction of the rotation. So it's kind of slightly recessed, so that's a better design. And it also features a quick release knob with the balls inside. So when you press, it releases the ball and it pushes, there's a little thing pointing out, it pushes the drive out. So it's really easy to actually put on and take off. Just gonna do a quick demo. So you press to lock it in place, and if you don't press it, there's no way you can take it off. Okay, so it's actually quite sturdy, And if you listen, you know that this is actually a finer tooth ratchet compared to some other cheaper ratchets out there, because it sounds more smooth. It sounds like there's more tooth in this whole mechanism compared to some of the cheaper ones where you hear less clicks when I turn this. This one have a very smooth click, okay? So you can work this at very tight corners, a very tight and hard to turn area. Even with a small space, you'll be able to get the things loosened or tightened really quickly because of the extra tooth. Now to release this, by the way, it's the knob is also chrome plated, so the entire thing actually feels very well made and heavy duty. If you press this button, it just pushes out and releases the socket. Now take a look at the deep sockets. So this is actually not so deep. So the socket actually stops halfway. So they didn't have the socket go all the way in here, but it actually stops halfway. So it's a deep socket, but it's just not as deep as some other maybe more better forged sockets out there. This one is very cheap. It's chrome plated. It's probably stamped. I don't know. I'm just making an assumption because it's so cheap, to a point that I suspect the build quantity is probably going to be less compared to some other tools, say like a Snap-on tool or a Mac tool. Anyway, it's $10 for the whole set. If you ask me if it's worth it, Probably, I would say so. If you don't have any other tools available and you see this on sale, you should definitely grab it. The Ratchet itself is well made. It comes in this really nice box. However, I think the box is a little too big. It's not well designed because there are so many extra space wasted on the top. It's like really there's no point to get a box this big. Anyway, and I got it missing the piece, so make sure you go into the store and buy it yourself. Or if you're using Walmart's in-store pickup, make sure you inspect your piece before you take it home. Okay, so now I have to go back and return this. I might just get an exchange for the same thing. Hopefully they still have it in stock since it's on sale. I don't know, but in conclusion, really great price for a set of quarter-inch drive sockets with Ratchet and a box for $10 on sale. So if you guys have any questions about this socket wrench, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, hope you found this unboxing helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care.